Hello everyone, my name is Koi Hui. As you can see on the screen, my topic today is OSI model. The first one is physical layers, universal serial bus. USB is an industry standard that establishes specifications for cable and connector and protocol for connection, communication and power supply between computer and peripheral. Variety of USB hardware exists, including 11 different connectors, of which USB-C is the most recent. TransferJet TransferJet is a close proximate wireless transfer technology by touching two devices, and it allows high-speed exchange of data. The concept of TransferJet consists of a touch-activated interface which can be applied for applications requiring high-speed data transfer between two devices. Infrared IR, sometimes called infrared light, is electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than those of visible light. It is therefore invisible to the human eyes. IR is generally understood to encompass wavelength from the nominal red edge of the visible spectrum. The next one is data link layers. Asynchronous transfer mode (ATM) is a telecommunication standard defined by ANSI and ITU for digital transmission of multiple types of traffic, including voice, data, and video signal in one network without using separate overlay networks. ATM was developed to integrate telecommunication network. CIS Cisco Discovery Protocol (CDP) is a proprietary data link layer protocol used to share information about other directly connected Cisco equipment, such as the operating system, vision, and IP address. CDP can also be used for on-demand routing, which is the method of including routing information in CDP as announcement. Dynamic Trunking Protocol (DTP) is a property networking protocol. The purpose of negotiating trunking on a line between two VLAN award switches and for negotiating the type of trunking encapsulation to be used. DTP should not be confused with BTP because they serve different purposes. The next one is network layer. Internet Packet Exchange (IPX) is the network layer protocol in the IPX protocol switch. IPX is derived from Xerox Network System (IDP). It may act as a transport layer protocol as well. It was used by the Novell Nodeware network operating system. Because of Novell Nodeware popularity, the IPX became a prominent internetworking protocol. Internet Protocol (IP) is the network layer communication protocol in the network protocol suite for relaying datagrams across network boundaries. Its routing function enables Internet working and assistantly establish the Internet. IP also has task of the delivering packet from the source host to the destination host stored based on the IP address in the packet headers. Next one is the Address Resolution Protocol. ARP is the communication protocol used for discovering the line layer address, such as a MAC address associated with a given Internet layer address, typically an IPv4 address. ARP has been implemented with many combinations of network and data link layers technologies, such as CharlesNet, PECnet, and Xerox PARC Universal Packet. And then the next one is the transport layer. AppleTalk Anchor Protocol (AAP) is a transport layer protocol designed to test the reachability of network nodes. AAP generates packets to be sent to the network nodes and is identified in the type fields of a packet as an AAP packet. Fiber Channel Protocol (FCP) is a SCSI interface protocol utilizing an underlying fiber channel connection The Fibre Channel standard defines a high-speed data transfer mechanism that can be used to connect workstation, mainframe, supercomputer, storage device, and display. And then the next one is the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP). It's one of the main protocol of the Internet Protocol Suite. It originated in the Intuit network implementation in which it complemented the Internet Protocol. Therefore, the entire suite is commonly referred to as TCP or IP. And then the next one is Season Layer. Network Core Protocol (NCP) is a network protocol used in some products from Novell Inc. It is usually associated with the client-server operating system Novell NetWare, which originally supported primarily MS-DOS client station, but later support from other platforms such as Microsoft Windows, the classic Mac OS Linux, Windows NT Mac OS X, and various flavors of Unix were added. Remote Procedure Call (RPC) is a computer program calls a procedure to execute in a different address space, which is called as if it were a normal procedure call, without the programmer explicitly coding the details for the remote interaction. Socket Direct Protocol (SDP) is a transport-agnostic protocol to support stream sockets over remote direct memory access network fabrics. It defines a standard wire protocol over an RDMA fabric to support stream sockets. SDP uses various RDMA network features for high-performance zero-copy data transfer. And then the next one is the presentation layer. Transport Layer Security (TLS) is the successor of the now deprecated Secure Socket Layers. It's a cryptographic protocol designed to provide communication security over a computer network. Several versions of the protocol are widely used in applications such as email and voice over IP, but its use as the security layers in HTTPS remain the most publicly visible. Apple Filing Protocol (AFP) is a proprietary network protocol and part of the Apple File Service, which offers file service from macOS and the classic macOS. AFP currently supports Unicode filename POSIX and access control list permission, resource forks, name extended attributes, and advanced file locking. File Transport Protocol (FTP) is used to communicate and transfer files between computers on a TCP or IP network, also called it as Internet. Users who have been gained access can receive and transfer files in the File Transfer Protocol service. And the last one is the application layer. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP) is a network management protocol used on Internet Protocol network for automatically assign IP address and other communication parameters to device connect to the device using a client-server architecture. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Securities (HTTPS) is an extension of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's used for secure communication over a computer network and is widely used on the Internet. In HTTPS, the communication protocol is encrypted using Transport Layer Security, or formerly Secure Socket Layer. And the last one is the Gemini Protocol. Gemini Protocol is an application layer protocol for distributed hypertext information system that provides access to simple, primarily textual documents in Gemini space. This is done with contemporary technologies such as TLS, thereby improving privacy and user urgency relative to the web. The protocol is being designed collaboratively and is not currently being standardized as an Internet standard. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.